Hey everybody, John here with Billings Seafood Guys, home of the Wild Alaskan Seafood Box. Our New Year's resolutions are in and we're gonna cook a ton of seafood, and we're starting out today with Dungeness crab in the air fryer. So you guys know we love to keep it easy, we keep it simple. We have never done this, we're testing this out. So all you need is a 5-year-old little boy to help you out, and Dungeness crab clusters, olive oil, seasoning, and your air fryer. And don't forget guys, you can definitely do this with king crab legs too, snow crab, all you East Coast guys, maybe blue crab, I don't know, I haven't messed with that. But this Dungeness crab, we're talking like 5 to 8 minutes in the air fryer. So we're gonna try this out, and then we'll talk about it at the end, see how it goes. Let's get cooking.